Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use Google Assistant on lock screen on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, just open Settings, then tap on Home Screen and Lock Screen. Under the Lock Screen section, you will find the option of Lock Screen Shortcuts. Just tap on it, and from here, just replace the left shortcut on the lock screen from the torch to the digital assistant from Google. And once you do that, you will enable Google Assistant on lock screen. Just like that. Now, as you can see, we have successfully enabled the Gemini Google Assistant on the lock screen of our smartphone. But if you want to use Google Assistant on the lock screen instead of Google Gemini, just open your smartphone, then go to your home screen. From here, just open Google, then tap on the profile icon. On this page, just tap on Settings, then tap on Gemini. And from here, you will find the option of Digital Assistant from Google. Just tap on it, and from here, instead of Gemini, just select Google Assistant. From here, select Switch. And once you do that, you will enable Google Assistant on the lock screen. Just like that. And this is how you can use Google Assistant on the lock screen on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.